Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. We are continuing with Not Dry January. We like having fun. If you like having fun, hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment, give us a like, let us know what you want to see next because we're always looking for ideas. Today we are going to make a great cocktail for after dinner, kind of a dessert. It's called the Birds of Paradise. So let's get pouring. I'm going to take my shaker and put in 3/4 of an ounce of Blanco Tequila. Today we're using Cabo Wabo Blanco. It's one of our favorites. Follow that up. We are going to put in there 3/4 of an ounce of Amaretto. Next is going to be 3/4 of an ounce of the Crème de Cacao. We're using white. You can use brown, but it's going to turn it a funny color. Those are going in there. Next, we are going to put in there, finally topping this off, 1.5 ounces of heavy cream. You can use half and half if you're worried about the calories, but if you're drinking this stuff or you're really worried about the calories. So that goes in there. We're going to add an ice cube. And we're going to give this a shake to chill it. We're shaking to chill, not make whipped cream. So not too long. And when it's chilled, we are going to grab ourselves a chilled martini glass. And we are going to pour. And our final aromatic on there is some freshly ground nutmeg. And there is the Bird of Paradise. Bon appetit.
Give me some dessert.
You want dessert?
Oh my goodness. That is so good.
What was that?
It's very good.
What did you say?
Good.
You heard it, folks.
Very good.